ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and CNBC TV18 present Mission Insure India, life insurance for all.
Yashish, how are you at Policy Bazaar propagating the idea? Is there a number, like, you know, if I'm earning so much at this stage in life, this is the amount I have to buy. Is the formula simple enough and is it getting enough response?
I'll just make a slightly controversial statement here. I'll take a person who's earning 3 lakh rupees. Let's say the protection he needs is 30 lakh rupees. We all agree to that a protection requires 30 lakh rupees. If he buys that through an investment, endowment, any product, typically the sum assured is 10 times of premium. That means he has to put his entire salary, pre-tax, into that product to just get his sum assured. So it's financially impossible. The only way he can protect and get that adequate protection is through term insurance. Now let's get to term insurance. If he has to buy 30 lakh rupees of term insurance, by my math, that should cost him about 300 to 400 rupees a month. That is 3,000, 4,000, 300 rupees a month. Now, a person earning 3 lakh rupees can afford 3,000 rupees a month, 300 rupees a month. So protection is not expensive. It's quite cheap. It doesn't cost so much. We should not, I think this is where I make a controversial statement. I think we as an industry have been confusing investment and protection and saying investment will cause protection. It cannot. It just cannot give adequate protection because I have to put my entire income into a policy just to protect myself, which is financially impossible.
Is it only an awareness issue or can tax incentives make a difference?
No, I think it's a lot of things. The biggest thing, of course, is awareness, but along with that, we do need to keep innovating on product structures because it's from two perspectives. The basic product may still be just protection or term insurance, but there can be many variations of that. How long you pay for, premium paying term, how long is the cover, how do you get payout, is it lump sum, is it in various stage, do you bundle health along with it, either in the form of riders or whatever, what will be the form of payment of that. So a lot of product design innovation can be brought in while ensuring that things are kept simple, number one. Number two, I think this whole concept of onboarding, when you actually get a customer to agree, after that also it's a very elaborate process before the customer actually gets the policy issued. Especially on higher covers, there is medical requirement, there's a lot of underwriting requirement. We have to use technology, we have to use data analytics to try and simplify that to be able to give things literally across the counter. So for example, our vision is that it should be as easy to buy a life cover as it is to take an FD in a bank. Why should we not do that? Of course, for that a lot of things have to fall in place, but I think that is the second thing. The third, of course, is to ensure that, when the moment of truth comes, the claims are indeed paid and paid fast. Thanks to the efforts of IID, I think IID has brought a lot of focus on that on the industry. Today, the claims payout ratios are very good. I think pretty much the entire industry is 90% plus and the good companies are 95% plus, which is really good because it helps. At the same time, how long does it take to pay the claim? IID has also defined TATs for that, and all of us in the good companies actually ensure that it is less than that. Along with all of that, I think the whole question of awareness has to go on and on and on. You spoke about tax. I think that is an important element. To some extent, there are already some tax benefits available for the industry. But if I look at protection specifically, today, the indirect tax, the main indirect tax is GST. If I buy term insurance, the GST rate is 18%. You have seen how the GST Council of the government has progressively brought down GST rates for various things. For luxury items also it is 18%. For something that is necessity, it is 18%. There is a category where government says are essential commodities, where they charge, the GST rate is 5%. If the government thinks this is essential, they should encourage it by bringing in that. And remember, this is a country where there is no social security. The government does not take care of its citizens if something goes wrong. There is no, government pension, there is no social security. So this is the way to incentivize.
ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and CNBC TV18 present Mission Insure India, life insurance for all.